Today we're going to go over how to use your NFMI earplug kit with your amp communication headset. In your earplug kit, you'll have the earplugs themselves, but then you're also going to have 3 sets of comply foam tips so you can pick the appropriate size for your ear canal for your comfort. What you're going to do is take the earplug. You'll notice these foam sets will corkscrew right down onto them. You want to thread it all the way down right into the base until you can't go anymore. And you'll do that for both sides. Okay, next we're going to insert the earplugs into our ear. This cord in between the earplugs is just a retention lanyard. If you don't like it, you can remove it. Personally, I like to use it because I put it behind my neck and I can retain the earplugs when they're not in use. Important to note, when you install the earplugs into your ear, this little nub right here should be facing to your 6. It's critical that you do that so the earplugs don't hit the ear cup and you maintain comfort. So first things you want to do is roll the foam tip between your fingertips to compress it. Then what you're going to do is take your other hand, reach around the back side of your head, pull your ear back, and insert the earplug into your ear. Once again, with this little nub here facing to your 6. From here, take the headset with the hear-through already on, put it over your head, and press the NFMI button on the side of the left ear cup, and you'll hear this tone indicating that the audio is transferred into the earplug. Take the other earplug, once again roll it between your fingertips to compress the foam, install it into the other ear. And put the other ear cup over the other ear. Now you're getting double hearing protection with hear-through audio and communications audio going directly into the earplug.